I crushed it. I always feel so good after a workout, but it's like getting to the gym. That's the hard part. But afterwards, it's always so rewarding. So I just need to get myself there, you know? Today, it's not really exciting. I have to fill out my application for second year because you have to apply into second year in my university program. And then I'm going to, if I have time, cut the skins for my split board, which is exciting. And then we're gonna cut Ollie's hair. And that's what you guys are all the most excited about. So let's get home. Okay, friends, it's finally time. We're gonna set up the split board. Setting it up means cutting the skins, like the title of this video, and putting on the bindings. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know much of what I'm doing. So hopefully this doesn't end badly. This is the hometown hero, Burton. From the family tree line, it's last year's model. It's a 154. It's really pretty. And we are going to try and get this set up because I'm literally going ski touring for 4 days next week. So it might be a good idea to try and figure out how to work this. Let's unbox the bindings. So for my skins, I have the G3 Splitboard Universal skins. Just because I'm gonna be touring probably in the coast and in the interior, so I didn't want to get like a certain specific one. And then the Burton Hitchhiker in a men's small. So let's see, how do we even begin? You know, when I bought these, the girl at the store was like, do you want me to set up for you? And I was like, no, I'm a strong, independent woman. I can do it myself. And now I kind of wish I got her to set it up for me. Oh, a sticker. These are the only instructions it comes with. It's literally this piece of cardboard. So I guess it's time to watch a YouTube tutorial.
Line up the screws. Good to go.
What?
Pouring bracket screws are M6 10mm screws.
Dan's gonna help me out, guys. Okay guys, the first thing I'm actually gonna do is move the pucks. My split board came with pucks on it, but they're just like way too far apart for my stance. So I think I'm just gonna move them a bit, which is just like any other binding. Okay, let's see what Dan has to say next. Heels are oriented. Oh, and then I just screw them in. This isn't as hard as they make it seem. Somewhere it told me that one color should be used for something. Okay, so use the blue screws for the... So now I can just put these apparently right. This doesn't make any sense. Toe latch? What motherfucking toe latch? I can't even. Oh. Okay. I'm literally sweating from the amount of effort that took. I don't think it should have been that hard, but here we are. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna take a break. We're gonna do what you guys have all been waiting for, and we're gonna cut my boyfriend's hair. And then tomorrow we're gonna go into the journey that is cutting my skins because I think I've had enough for right now. I went to Sally Beauty and I got the cheapest hair cutting scissors I could find. And we're going to cut Ollie's mullet. See, it's like super long right now. I have confidence that I can just like trim it a little bit. Are you excited? Say you love me now so that when afterwards you still do.
I love you.
Okay. Oliver's in the bathtub. Trying to eliminate a bit of mess. I think I'm gonna wet his hair first.
It's not like too wet.
Sure. Right now I'm just, combing it through, getting it all wet.
No, don't expose my hairline like this. Is that a good shot?
I didn't cut off too much so that you can see if you like it. So you might want to shower and then let it dry.
Alright, now get out of here.
Okay. Well, I guess you should style it so we can get the full results. But that doesn't look too terrible.
No, it's not too bad. I mean, like, you always give it 2 to 3 days for it.
Oh, whatever.
I've had worse barbers do work on my hair.
And you paid for that.
And I actually paid for them. This, totally free. I didn't even have to pay for the clippers.
Good morning, guys. It's a new day and it's time for me to conquer the skins. So I'm going to show you guys, based on this YouTube tutorial that I just watched, how I'm going to set up my skins on my new splitboard. Oliver's down here testing out his setup. So let's get to it. I've never actually taken my splitboard apart before, so let's see how she goes. Ow! Oh! Can you turn my camera off, please? Yep. Oh, that was embarrassing. I just squished my finger in my binding as I was trying to take it off your splitboard. So yeah, things are not going well. I think I'll survive. Time to take my splitboard apart. Okay. Oh, can you put my peas back in the freezer when you get the second? So I have the G3 Universal skins. So that's what we're gonna be installing today. Comes with a little protector. And these, and a sticker, and a bag, and this cutting tool that I just watched in the YouTube tutorial. So first, the guy said you just like measure out where this should go on your board. Kind of f***ed it up right here. Have this little like thingy, but whatever. Oh, that one was perfect. Okay guys, don't worry, I'm a pro now, it's okay. See, this one is a lot cleaner. Skin saver, to save your skins. Ugh. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed trying to figure out how to set up a splitboard with me, and stay tuned for some touring content in the future. But I have to go get ready to go do a field course, so see you later.